The road seems a lot better than the last time we were here.
Yeah. The three neighbors here all kind of came together and got more rock for the road and redid the ditches on both sides.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Внутри не было так много. Были тогда, когда там пусто было.
Там кисы тоже есть. Сейчас машина остановится, ее возьмите.
Ой, чё?
These thickets act like a really natural fence. Nobody wants to go through that.
We go. No, there's still the creek out there. This area was grassy. It's on the road up there. You can check it out if you want. Yeah, that's a pretty big cedar tree. Oh, yeah.
Into your territory, right there?
No, up the hill a ways. There is a fence right there, but it's just to keep animals in.
I never imagined it was so big territory.
Yeah.
That's really separated from that area.
Yeah, and this is kind of one of the nicer parts because you've got the creek right here, and then it's flat and usable.
It goes up till the lake.
Almost. wide to try and cross. That's another really big tree right there. Right through here.
Oh,
The Douglas fir
yeah.
on the other side of the fence. Yeah, I don't know. You guys don't think we can jump right there?
Well, it's pretty doable from there, but the rocks can be slippery maybe.
Oh, you guys got rubber boots. I'm the only one that has to jump.
I have this kind of rubber boots.
No.
So I'm the jumper too.
Okay. Well, we stay on this side then.
Yeah. Буду идти. Можно завтра просто так. Нормально, кому старый. Нужно было тренировать.
Or go that way. I just fixed the stream channel here this summer, or this autumn.
Ciao.
Давайте, покажи желудь.
Say hi.
Покажи свой желудь, какой у тебя в ручке.
What do you? Show the acorn. Show the acorn, Lorelai.
Wow.
Yeah. This is the trench that I got the tractor stuck in up there.
Ah,
Can't quite see how
Где голубая?
steep it gets, but
Где-то там и есть. Ну, дырка такая.
I already see it's pretty steep enough.
То есть,
Yeah,
она
mine jack,
не как
so-
пещера.
A couple of
this is the area we just mowed somewhat recently.
okay.
Couldn't see anything up there, so it was covered in blackberries and all the bushes.
Может построить дом.
There's a couple of Laura-like clips of Nonna. I think she's rather enjoying the hike. Ah.
This is another mine shaft which the previous owner used as a garbage dump.
Okay,
So
pretty useful idea.
yeah, we started cleaning it out. So we'll have to get this in the next dump run. But you can see the mine started all the way down here. And they worked it with high pressure water hose, squirting the side of the mountain to wash away the dirt to search for a quartz.
That was
And gold.
how long ago? How long time ago?
The late 1800s. I think they stopped hydraulic mining in the 1880s to 1890s.
It might rain.
There's pretty dark clouds.
Do you want to go back?
Там косуля. Видишь? Видела косулю?
There's three.
Три. Видела?
Four.
Four.
Yeah.
They ran away.
They're gone over the hill.
Started playing guitar.
Well, that's not a very bad reaction. It's not so sad.
Еще?
Oh, wow. It's pretty sour.
Wow. Nah, it's good.